In this video, I want to show you a perfect indicator in TradingView that is built based on machine learning algorithm. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search machine learning. We add this one. Machine Learning KNN-based strategy, which is an editor's picks indicator, and it's written by someone named Capissimo if I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it has added some blue and pink labels to our chart, which are showing us buying and selling signals, but not all of them are good, and we need to filter the false signals. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you a trading strategy that you can effectively take only the profitable signals. Alright, as I said, this indicator is built based on machine learning algorithm. In case if you don't know what machine learning is, it's a branch of artificial intelligence which focuses on using statistical techniques to intimate the way that humans learn, so the system learns from available data and gradually improves its accuracy. This indicator uses a special algorithm which is called k-nearest neighbors, and it's been proved that it can help us to find a prediction for the next movement of the market. I don't get into more details regarding the calculations behind this indicator. You can check the page of this indicator on TradingView. The author has explained all the details and the code is also available there, so you can more investigate if you're familiar with point code scripting. Alright, as I mentioned earlier, these blue and pink labels that you see on the chart are buying and selling signals that are generated by the help of this indicator. The blue labels signal us for opening long positions and the pink labels signal us for opening short positions. If you look carefully, you can clearly see that after each of these signals, we really had a change in the direction of the market. In some cases, we had a greater amount of change after the signal, like what you can see here after this signal or after this signal. And in some cases, just very short movement of the market, either in the form of a pullback or just a short pause in the direction of the market. So generally, this indicator perfectly identifies any changes that is happening in the market and gives us a signal on that prediction. But not all of these signals are suitable for trading, and we need to take only the signals that provide larger movements of the price. This indicator itself provides a filtering option here in its settings. Here, as you can see, volatility filter, which if we turn it on, some of the signals, mainly false signals, are removed from the chart, as you can see. But this option still not very effective, and you can see that we still have many false signals happening on the chart, so we need to use this indicator in conjunction with some other indicators to reduce the number of false signals as much as possible. One of the safest way to trade is trading in the direction of the trend. So if we identify direction of the market, we can take the higher probability signals. If you pay attention, you can see that in this part of the chart, we are in a downtrend. Then we got a reversal here and then an uptrend started. So basically in this part of the chart where actually we are in a downtrend, all of these buying signals should be avoided. And in this part of the chart where we are in an uptrend, all of these selling signals should be avoided. You can identify trends by the help of price action analysis if you have experience with that, or an easier way is using indicators. For example, I can add RSI to our chart, this one, for identifying direction of the market. Since we are on 4 hours time frame, here in RSI settings, for the time frame, we set it at higher level, for example, on 1 day, so we can be aware of the overall direction of the market on higher time frame. If you're familiar with RSI, so you know that when the market is in a downtrend, RSI usually moves between 10 and 60, with 50 to 60 zone providing us a resistance level. So in this situation, when RSI shows that we are in a downtrend, we only take the bearish signals, the signals where these red labels appear on the chart. In this situation, we don't take any bullish signal for opening a long position because they are just sign of a pullback or short pause within this downtrend. On the other hand, when the market is in an uptrend, RSI is usually between 40 and 90, with 40 to 50 level providing us a support zone. So in this situation, when RSI shows that we are in an uptrend, we only take the bullish signals, the signals where these blue labels appear on the chart. In this situation, we don't take these bearish signals because they're just a sign of a pullback or short pause within this uptrend. Alright, until now, we could successfully filter many false signals, but still we need another layer of filtration because still some of the signals, even in the direction of the trend, will end up with loss, like this selling signal, which the price advanced after that, or this buying signal, which because of short-term volatility, our stop loss would be hit. So to add another layer of filtration, here we click on indicators and we search Netherroyal-Watson. We add this one, Netherroyal-Watson envelope, which is written by J.D. Horty. Alright, this is the indicator, which is a very powerful indicator that is built based on kernel regression. We have a line here in the middle of the bands, which is actually our estimator line and gives us buy and sell signals, and we have these envelopes above and below this line. I don't intend to explain all the details about this indicator in this video because I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I recommend you to watch it later so you will learn how to use this powerful indicator. Alright, being in this uptrend confirmed by price action analysis or RSI as I explained earlier, and avoiding all these short position signals, now we added this Netherroyal-Watson indicator to help us to take the best long position signals here that are generated by our machine learning indicator. If you're familiar with Netherroyal-Watson envelope, so you know that when the price is in an uptrend and when the price reaches to this area, it gives us the signal that the price is gonna stop and reverse because this is an oversold area. And when we get color changing from this regression line, it confirms advancing of the price. And now when this machine learning indicator signal coincides with this setup, it creates a very powerful signal on advancing of the price. But for example, this signal, which is not in a similar setup like this, but here the price is on the other hand in the overbought area, so it's clear that we don't have any good probability for advancing of the price. So if we take the signals that are in the oversold condition of Netherroyal-Watson envelope, you can see that it creates higher probability trades for us. And on the other hand, when the price is in a downtrend, like this part of the chart, we only take the selling signals that they coincide with overbought condition and then color changing of the regression line. By the help of this method, majority of the false signals that are in the direction of the trend can be avoided so we can have higher probability trades. I highly recommend you to watch my video about Netherroyal-Watson indicator because it's a very powerful tool that can help you a lot in your trading decisions. This was just an example to show you how you must use these signals that are generated from this indicator that is built based on machine learning algorithm so that you can filter the false signals and take the signals that have higher probability of getting the expected result. Also, this machine learning indicator is very powerful in showing us changes in the direction of the market, and the signal really show different degree of changes that is happening in the market, but not all of them are suitable for trading, and you must use this indicator in conjunction with other tools and aspects of technical analysis. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new video. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.